So for this question, we're going to use a property of exponents where if x raised to power m, sorry, this is m and this is n, is basically the what square root is n. So basically we can write it as simple x raised to power m, and if we want to remove the square root we can write it as 1 by n here. So for this question it will be the same thing, x raised to power 5, 1 by 4, which eventually we can write it as x raised to power 5 by 4. It's as easy as that. So you need to remember this property and you'll be able to solve these type of questions. Okay,